everyone, welcome back. Yay! I missed this. I really did. I missed doing faces, and I missed doing looks, and I missed posting, and I missed actually sitting down and getting myself ready, because I like to get ready. I have this condition called well, I guess I still have it, hyperthyroidism. If you know what it is, it's I feel like it's common, but then not really. Like, there's more women that have thyroid issues that you don't even know about, like that they don't even know. And it took like me being really sick and looking sick and people noticing I look sick for me to actually do something about it. So if you feel like you have thyroid issues, or if it's just getting swollen like mine, please go to a doctor. I feel better. What I used on my eyes was the Huda Beauty. This one is the Ruby Obsessions palette. It's really cute. I've had this one for a really long time. My skin has definitely changed with hormone issues. So I just wanted to show you what I do now and what helps me not be cakey. So what I like to use if my face is feeling dry, I will use like a silicone type primer, and this one is the Smashbox Photo Finish. For foundation, I'm gonna use the Double Wear. This is in Rattan 2W2. I'm really light right now, but if it's too light, I'll change it up, or I'll make it darker, whatever. It looks really light. Ah! Okay, so that's looking really yellow. So I'm just gonna dust a little bit of the L'Oreal Infallible. For bronzer, I'm gonna use MAC Give Me Sun. I think if I could pick one thing to take, like if you were stranded on an island or something, it'd definitely be this bronzer. Not kidding. I love it. So for blush, we're going old. We are going old. Probably expired old. Let's see. But I don't care. I'm putting it on my face. The CoverGirl. This one is the classic color in soft mink. Number 590. So for lips, we are going with MAC and Whirl Classic. And then for lipstick, I'm going to use the Bare Minerals. This one is called Strip. Okay. All right, Strip. Cool. It's gonna be my new favorite combo. Really like it. Okay, so my phone dying. Okay, so I'm gonna use this little one, MAC Prep and Prime. I think this is in Peony. So that is my short coming back video. Thanks for watching.